Hey guys, it's Suresh. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning into another video with me today. Well, I have a fun bonus video for you guys today of this beauty that I deboxed a few weeks ago on my ASMR video. And what I thought was going to be okay in terms of like washing her hair at the end of that video turned out not to be so okay, because the more I tried to like style it and like make it look cute, it ended up looking crazy. So as you see, it is just all over the place, so frizzy, lots of random curls and stuff. So we're gonna take her from this to this. And I am so excited to share this process with you. I've been wanting to do this for a couple of weeks now, and I finally had a chance to sit down and do it. So I'm gonna show you step by step what we did, and I'm so happy with the result. So let's get started, all right? So I start with washing Barbie's hair. As you see, it's just so matted and gross looking. I'm washing her hair in a little bit of baby shampoo. So nothing super moisturizing, nothing super drying. And I didn't want to use any sort of dish soap or anything like that. So the shampoo will kind of help break out some of that product that's in her hair. There was a lot of gel to like right in the front portion where it's kind of bangy and bouffanty. And what I want to do is get rid of all of that stuff, get rid of any residue that was sitting in the hair from, you know, me playing with it and trying to style it over the past couple of weeks. And I really take my time and make sure I'm doing a nice thorough job there. And then we go ahead and rinse her out in regular warm water, get rid of all that shampoo. And then after that, what we're gonna do is take her to the stove, honey. So here's where we begin our boil wash. I bring a small pan of simmering water to a gentle boil. I keep the heat on low temperature, so like it's like a really, really soft low boil. And then I start dumping her little head in. So I have her straight up and down. I'm not holding her, any part of her body over the flame area, because obviously I don't want her to melt. And I just start dipping her head into the water. And basically what we're trying to do is unravel that saran and kind of bring it to a light melting point where it loosens the curl. Now, saran obviously is not natural hair. It does, you know, have a different melting point than human hair does. And yeah, so I'm just kind of trying to get it warm enough that we can start manipulating it and pulling out some of those curls. So as I keep dipping her into the water, I then bring out my trusty little black comb and I start brushing out some of those curls. And I'm being very gentle when I'm brushing. I don't want to pull too hard. I don't want any of the little hair plugs to come out. And I'm just trying to be as gentle as possible here. And also, I should say, for any kids out there, please talk to your parents before doing this. You could get seriously burned and hurt doing this, so please don't try this on your own, okay? All right, so in between the boil, the actual boils, I pull her out, put her onto a dry towel and start combing out the hair. And I think it's very important, in my experience at least, to consistently keep brushing the hair out, because that action is ultimately what kind of pulls the curls out and straightens it, okay? So back into the pot of water, and at this point I've actually turned the heat off. I've turned the flame off, so now it's just, you know, really, really hot water. You can see the steam coming up. And again, what I'm doing is just dumping her head in, making sure that I'm combing it a little bit here and there to help even out and smooth out those random curls. And from there, I go back to the towel and start combing it out, just like so. Now you can actually even see that some of those curls are gone and kind of evening out and softening out, okay? And that's really what we want. We don't want to ruin the hair and melt it. We're just kind of going back and forth between the boiling and the combing to get a little bit more of an even wave. And that's what I want. I didn't really want super straight hair. I just wanted it to be like a soft wave. Basically anything but what she had. Right? So yeah, so from here, I go to my next step, and this is like a pretty fun step. I'm sure you guys have seen other doll designers do this. It's common for doll hair. I take a warm water bowl here, and then I put some fabric softener in it. And we're just gonna go ahead and dunk Barbie's head right in there. So I start combing out her hair again while it's in the fabric softener. And the whole point of the softener is basically exactly that. It's gonna soften her hair because saran is very much like a fabric thread in its right. We're just gonna go ahead and give her a little bit of a fabric wash. So I leave her in there for about 3 or 4 minutes, take her out, give her a good rinse, and then with regular water, warm water, and then we're just gonna continue combing. And you can see that all those tangly little curls are now gone, and her hair is looking much sleeker and straighter. And then from there, we take her to the blow dry. And here, what I'm trying to do is obviously get rid of all the moisture in her hair, and also reiterate that the straightening of the hair. So by blow drying it just like so, and continuing to comb her hair out, what you'll see is that the leftover curl in there continues to sort of slowly uncoil and uncurl. And yeah, that's pretty much what it is. It's a lot of patience. Obviously, you want to make sure that you're going between the heat setting and the cool shot, heat setting and the cool shot. You don't want to burn the hair. You don't want to boil the hair. You don't want to melt the hair. Girl, it smells if you try. Let me tell you, I've made some mistakes in the past and it smells. So anyway, here we go. Yeah, Barbie's hair is all dry, and all the moisture is gone, and we have been able to get rid of a lot of those curls actually. And then from there, I take a big faux boar hair brush and just give her a really good brush, and you can see it's turning out to look quite lovely. So from here, the final step, I gotta give her a little bit of styling product. You guys know that I love my Nivea body lotion, which I use as a styling product for her. I don't want to put gel back into the hair and make it hard and crusty again. I don't want to use any sort of like overly rich, oily product because that's gonna be gross and leave residue. So a little bit of lotion through the hair, and voila, look at this. Yes, nice and straight with a little bit of body to it, that glossy shine from the fabric softener, and everything looks so beautiful. Check it out from the back. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy with how it came out. Now you guys could take like a warm flat iron and go over this and make it a little bit more straight if you wanted to. I opted not to because I liked a little bit of wave in here. I'm so happy with how it turned out. I feel like the hair color and the makeup just goes so much better with her hair like this. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope that you learned something. Definitely let me know if you guys have questions, or if you've tried this before, or if there are any other steps that you guys do that you think I should try as well. I'm always up to learn. Be sure to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. I'm at SureshNY. That's generally where I post all my updates. And until I see you guys again, Barbie and I are gonna go hang out in New York and enjoy the beautiful summer here. So wherever you guys are in the world, I hope you're having a fantastic day. Big hugs and kisses from me and Barbie here in New York. And I will see you guys again next week for another video. Okay, bye.